This is one of the most incredible places I've ever been to in my life. Welcome to planet Mars. We just arrived to Wadi Rum. You cannot go straight to the camp. You have to park your car in this huge parking lot and somebody will pick us up. This is our fancy car. Our driver Mohammed.
Okay.
We are here. We are at this absolutely beautiful camp. It's really in the middle of nowhere. We are so excited. Like so far I feel like I've been here for 5 minutes and it's already my favorite experience. We just arrived to this amazing Bedouin camp. Look, this is our patio and there is this amazing view. It looks like from out of this world. Let me take you guys inside. If you come in here, you have this beautiful, beautiful room. Excuse the mess. And look at the view from our bed. Look at this. You can watch the stars here. Also the bathroom, you know, you're sleeping in a tent. But look at the bathroom. It's so beautiful. So this is gonna be our home for the next 2 nights. We have planned to ride the camels and we will watch the sunset. And now I'm going to go enjoy the views from the inside because it's getting really cold. During the day it was so hard to be here on the sun because it was so hot. But you know, you are in the middle of the desert, so it can get cold really fast. We have a great meal, great dinner. It has been actually barbecued below the ground. We saw it, how they digged it up. It was wow, something I've never seen before. And the dinner, of course, as always, is in a buffet kind of style. I think it's very popular for tourists because, you know, you can taste everything. They have all the traditional Arabic dishes and you can just pick and try whatever you want. How does it taste like?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Absolutely delicious.
Absolutely delicious. So this is the end to an amazing evening. We're not really having hookah back home, but here we are in Jordan, so we have to have some. That's it for tonight.
Yes.
Tomorrow we're gonna have a jeep ride, so we're excited about that. And for tonight, good night. Something special about today's breakfast is the view. Middle of the Wadi Rum Desert. We are here on this jeep and we're gonna explore it the whole day. It's such a unique landscape here. Actually, all Hollywood movies that were supposed to be from out of this world, from some other planet, were shot right here in this place because of its unique red sand. It was movies like The Martian or movies like Transformers or Star Wars. now we are doing some hiking in the canyon, and everywhere around here on the walls are graffitis that are 1400 years old, and these graffitis are pretty cool. And okay, I need to focus now. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. And also there's some writing in Arabic that calls you to become Muslim. And now we're having break in this Bedouin tent, and we got some tea as a welcome, which is a tradition for the Bedouins. Today's lunch is going to be in the middle of the Wadi Rum Desert, and we're going to have Galaya, and it's a traditional food from here. It's some beans, onions, tomatoes, and we're gonna make it on a fire. You eat it with some eggplant and with some cream cheese and also the Arabic bread, and it's so delicious. This is actually my third plate. No kidding, and I'm gonna make this at home. We are on the top of the world, and we're gonna watch sunset from right here. Good morning from beautiful Wadi Rum Desert. We just spent the night in this beautiful dome tent. They are actually called the Martians, and they are quite popular here in Wadi Rum Desert. And we were so lucky that the guy who actually owns this camp, owns this place, noticed that I shoot some travel vlogs. So he said, "Hey guys, why don't you be the first ones to stay there and to see how it looks like?" And I must say, the stay there was absolutely amazing. In the evening you can just turn off the lights and watch the beautiful night sky with the stars, and I mean the views here are just breathtaking. Personally, to me, Wadi Rum, it's my favorite. I very enjoyed this experience. You get to do the jeep rides, the jeep tours, you get to ride the camels, and the landscape here is just so unique and so beautiful. You will not find it anywhere else. So I recommend it 100%.